Hey guys, welcome back. What we're going to do now is make a start on our playlists function, where we'll be able to create playlists and also add songs to our playlists. So what we need to do to begin with is to create our tables. And we're going to have two tables. We're going to have one table for the playlists themselves, and then one table for the playlist songs. And then when we select a playlist, we'll then go and select all the songs for that playlist. So let's go back to our PHP admin, and let's create a new table. And this is going to be called playlists. So playlists. And it's only going to have 4 columns. It's going to have an ID column, which will be type int, and then scroll along to AI, auto increment, just like we do with all our other tables, and set the primary key right there in the index column. Okay, so that said this ID column is the primary key. Okay, so AI and primary key. Then we're going to have a name column, and this is going to be of type varchar of size 50, so 50 characters or less. So this will be the name of the playlist. Then we have owner. And this is also going to be of type varchar 50, and this will be the username for the person that owns this playlist. And then finally we'll just have date created like that, and this will be of type date time. So scroll down, not date, we want date time. So right here, date time. Date just includes the date itself, whereas date time includes the time also. So date would be fine too, but it doesn't really matter. So date time's good. And that's it. So save that. And now we have our playlist table. Then we're going to create one more table, and that's the playlist songs table. And this only has 4 columns as well. So let's name this playlist songs, like that, playlist songs. And let's give this first column the name ID, and scroll along as usual, AI, auto increment, and set the primary key on this column. And then we're going to have a song ID. So this column will contain the ID of the song, and it'll be of type int, so leave that as is. The next one will be playlist ID, which will be an integer as well. This will link to the ID of the playlists table we just created. So this will be the playlist that this song belongs to. And then finally, we'll just have playlist order, and this will be the order that the songs appear in the playlist. So when you create a playlist, you're going to want your songs in a certain order, and this playlist order will be how we output these songs to the user. Okay? So, and they're all of type int, so we don't have to change any of that. So all of type int, and press save. And that's our 2 tables done. We have a playlist table and a playlist songs table.